Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, Tuesday, the 21st of November, and we are finally making our way home. As you guys saw in my last vlog, we came to Joburg to pick my parents up, but they had a connecting flight from Joburg to Nelspruit, so we decided to sleep because we woke up really early and slept really late the previous day. So yeah, we're driving back home now. It is 5 minutes past 10. Yeah, feeling pretty beat, but actually not beat, relaxed. Not actually, I feel good, very relaxed. So let's see. We're gonna make our way now. See ya, Mampi Malonga. Just go. This week, guys, I don't have any plans. I don't have any plans, but I still want to see vlog. So Sambin. Let's go. Do you want to say hi to everyone?
Hello. How are you guys? Hope you guys are well.
Good morning.
Even though this one is going to be chilling the whole day.
I'm okay with that. I really am. So,
White trip. This is such white trip.
put it on the car. You don't
Last time we did that, it took us.
Yeah. Whose car is connected to Apple Pay?
Mine.
Is my phone off? Oh.
Is your phone off?
If it's yours, put Waze, Pela Deva you.
Yeah. Why is it acting up now? Oh, it's because your phone is connected on the thing. Then you might as well put it on your phone. No, I'm saying your phone is connected via the cable, so I think it's gonna play everything out of there.
Well, if we connect it to your Apple cameras, it should connect your device. There we go.
You can change things, please.
Let's go.
Sitting on me as Philly, so this way on my chest is feeling heavy.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
There's no way. There is absolutely no way.
Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. Oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you. Yeah.
As long as you
My nigga.
just celebrate.
That's what's up. Congratulations, girl.
We're busy celebrating.
Graduate psychologist wena. Mbombela lenetimbondo so. Cheers, my dear. A glass of water in this heat just for you, huh? A cup of coffee just for you. Congrats, Kens. We were worried, but congrats. Hey, Thandeka, man.
No,
Thandeka, my dear. Does not make sure. Hi, girl. Okay, so now we actually have to travel so we can celebrate. You get me?
No. We're celebrating.
Angsakuba phela yakhathi. Me bounce, yum yum yum. Kevin, why do I look like a hobo? Kevin. Yeah, I showered. Just look. So painful. I was rash every. Anyway, I was just calling to say congrats. Thank you. You're welcome. Guys, we finished our money. Finished. Pause my birthday. I'm joking, I didn't even get Jack. He didn't even buy me anything, guys. Can you imagine? But it is. Yo, it's hot. Now we're going home. We're tired. Yo, my skin, guys. I don't even want people to see me.